قبل بداية البودكاست أريد من أخي وأختي أن يضغطوا لايك ويقوموا بالتعليق برقم اللايك الذي وضعوه، وهذا تقديرا منكم لنا لنستمر في نشر المزيد من حلقات البودكاست التعليمية.
The Harry Potter series, by J.K. Rowling, tells the story of a young boy named Harry Potter who discovers he is a wizard. When he turns 11, Harry finds out about his magical heritage and joins Hogwarts, a school for witches and wizards. Throughout the series, Harry faces challenges, learns spells, and meets friends who support him. Most importantly, he battles the dark wizard Voldemort, who is determined to conquer the wizarding world. Before Hogwarts, Harry lives a tough life with his mean aunt, uncle, and cousin, who treat him poorly. They never tell him about his magical powers. But on his 11th birthday, everything changes. Harry receives a letter inviting him to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. This invitation leads him into a new, magical world full of wonder and surprises. At Hogwarts, he meets people who become like family to him. At Hogwarts, Harry makes two close friends, Hermione Granger and Ron Weasley. Hermione is very smart and loves books, while Ron is loyal and brave. Together, they form a strong friendship that helps them face many dangerous situations. The three friends support each other through thick and thin, learning lessons about loyalty, courage, and the power of true friendship. Their bond becomes one of the strongest elements in the series. Harry learns that Voldemort, a powerful dark wizard, killed his parents when he was a baby. Voldemort also tried to kill Harry, but failed, leaving him with a lightning-shaped scar. This scar is a sign of Harry's connection to Voldemort and his destiny to stop him. Harry grows up to understand that his life is linked to Voldemort's downfall, and he is determined to protect the world from his dark influence. At Hogwarts, students are sorted into 4 houses: Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff. Each house has unique qualities. Gryffindor, where Harry is placed, values bravery. Slytherin, Voldemort's house, has a dark reputation. The houses compete, but they also foster camaraderie and pride. Being in Gryffindor helps Harry find a new family and inspires him to be brave in the face of danger. Each book in the series represents one school year in Harry's life at Hogwarts. Throughout these years, Harry learns about magic, faces new challenges, and uncovers secrets about his past. The school teaches him spells, potions, and the importance of loyalty. Every year brings new adventures and mysteries, testing Harry and his friends and shaping them into the brave characters they become. The magical world of Harry Potter is filled with unique creatures, from house elves and centaurs to giants and dragons. Harry learns to interact with these creatures, respecting their unique qualities. This world of magic is exciting but also dangerous, with strange and mysterious beings. Harry learns that kindness and understanding can sometimes be as powerful as magic itself. One of Harry's mentors is Albus Dumbledore, the wise and kind headmaster of Hogwarts. Dumbledore guides Harry, offering advice and support. He believes in Harry's strength and helps him understand the power of love and friendship. Dumbledore plays a key role in preparing Harry for his final battle against Voldemort, teaching him that true courage comes from within. Voldemort, the main villain, is a dark wizard who believes in pure blood superiority. He despises non-magical people and uses dark magic to gain power. Voldemort's goal is to rule over the wizarding world with fear. His hatred and desire for power make him a dangerous enemy, and Harry realizes he must stop Voldemort to protect both magical and non-magical worlds. Harry faces many challenges, but he learns the value of bravery and friendship. His friends, Hermione and Ron, help him confront his fears and face dangers together. They teach Harry that strength lies in unity, not in power alone. Through his struggles, he learns that love, friendship, and loyalty are his greatest weapons against Voldemort's dark magic. Throughout the series, Harry encounters dangerous situations, including the Triwizard Tournament, the Chamber of Secrets, and the final battle at Hogwarts. Each challenge tests his courage and loyalty. These experiences help Harry grow and understand that true bravery comes from standing up for what's right, even when it is difficult or frightening. A major part of Harry's journey involves finding and destroying Horcruxes, objects that contain pieces of Voldemort's soul. Destroying them is the only way to make Voldemort mortal again. Harry, Hermione, and Ron risk their lives to locate and destroy these Horcruxes, knowing that each one brings them closer to defeating Voldemort. In the final book, Harry and his friends leave Hogwarts to search for the Horcruxes. This journey is dangerous and full of challenges. They lose friends and face many obstacles, but their friendship and determination keep them going. Their goal is clear: to defeat Voldemort and bring peace to the wizarding world. The series ends with the Battle of Hogwarts, where students, teachers, and friends join forces to fight Voldemort. This battle is fierce, with sacrifices on both sides. Harry faces Voldemort one last time, knowing this is his chance to end the darkness. It is a battle of courage, loyalty, and the will to protect those he loves. In the final showdown, Harry defeats Voldemort. Voldemort's downfall is the result of his own arrogance and hatred. With his death, peace returns to the wizarding world. Harry's victory is a symbol of hope, proving that even in dark times, good can triumph over evil. Harry's courage and love inspire everyone. After the battle, Harry and his friends honor those who fought bravely. They remember the sacrifices made to bring peace. Although they face grief, they feel stronger and more united, grateful for the friendships and love that helped them through. The wizarding world is safe once again. The Harry Potter series teaches valuable lessons about friendship, bravery, and kindness. It reminds readers that even in difficult times, hope and courage can guide them through. Harry's story is not just about magic, it's about the strength that comes from love, loyalty, and standing up for what is right. The magical universe of Harry Potter continues to inspire readers around the world. Rowling's characters and their journeys teach us about resilience, love, and unity. Through Harry, readers learn to face their fears and believe in themselves, no matter how difficult the challenge may seem. In conclusion, the Harry Potter series is a tale of hope, courage, and friendship. It encourages readers to stand up for their beliefs and reminds them that even in the darkest times, love and loyalty can lead to victory. Harry's journey will forever be remembered as a story of resilience and the power of good.